So that's the pills. That's sweet. Yeah. I'm not videoing you. What can you review? Sound? I'm not videoing you. Oh, yeah. I have a question. How much money do I have to pay for this? Just like, what? How much were you paying? Like, maybe like 20, 30? Oh, well, actually, $67. How much? It's 40 cents. $6,000. I don't understand. Now, if you would, let me do my work. Well, I kind of like we're hopping around. That's my business and none of yours business. You just don't know what I was actually doing. Oh, okay, I see. I just have one more question. Why are all your nail polishes from 5 years ago? What? I need a friend gave it to me. Oh, okay. I should have this like 2 days ago. But like, is there there or like around 3? No. Actually, I need my friends on there, so I can open who's your friend? Her name's Jessica. Is she imaginary? No. Face your thumb. Sorry? Face your freaking thumb? I got face your thumb. Oh. There we go. Thank you. Okay. I'm a girl. Oh, that's what I said. Okay, next now. Oh, any more questions? Yeah. What? Never. Why are you such a furry? Well, first of all, I don't know what that means. Well, it probably means like devil, doesn't it? What just happened? Wrong finger. Sorry. Oh, you shouldn't. Did you say you don't get enough? No. What are you like? I'm 10 and I know business. Like, you're I'm professional. I'm like 6'7", is that what you guys say nowadays? Like, oh my gosh, holy cringe. That's so not me. Are you playing Steel Brain Rot? Yeah. Is that like the thing to do? What are you doing? What are you doing? I was literally just talking about it. Like, can you sit down? Is that like your shorts? Just sit down and, I'll show you how to try. Oh, your nails. Okay. I think what am I staring at? Like, no. Oh, you're not doing it. Here's what. Oh my god. What did the promise say? What? 6, 7, 4, 1. That's so funny. Wait, why are you laughing? Am I not supposed to? No, that's my joke. Sorry. Or, my dad, is that what I'm supposed to say? Ew, I'm totally gonna do. That's like, not really. Okay. Oh, she's literally doing my nails so bad. What was that? Same thing, Sure, maybe you know. It's time for it. Huh? Anyway. Because the body really instinct. What are you doing? Getting happy right now, like, just stop your yapping. Okay. Ew, what? You're doing that for smells. It's like, what? Nothing. We're doing business. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, is that all? Yeah. What did you ask me? I asked for flowers. Yeah, and I asked for money. Okay, bye. Bye. Oh my gosh. Jesus.